Hold on, forget everything you think you know about AI. We're not talking about ChatGPT answering questions anymore. We're talking about AI agents that actually work for you, booking meetings, processing invoices, managing entire workflows autonomously from start to finish without you lifting a finger. This is Agentic AI, and it's about to change everything about how businesses operate. Three companies are absolutely dominating this space right now. One at $12.89 that just got named Time's Best Invention of 2025 for orchestrating AI agents. One at $191 that's already deployed 12,000 Agentforce implementations with 119% agent growth in 6 months. And one at $401 that's building autonomous agents across Microsoft 365 for 2.1 million users monthly. We're witnessing the shift from AI that assists to AI that executes. Agents that don't just recommend actions, they take them. Agents that run 24/7, never sleep, never take breaks, and scale infinitely. The Agentic AI market is projected to be worth trillions, and these three stocks are positioned to capture massive market share. This isn't hype. Reddit cut response times 84%. Companies are seeing seven-figure savings, and agents are already handling 70% of customer service conversations autonomously. Could these be the ultimate AI plays for 2026 and beyond? Before I reveal which three AI stocks are absolutely crushing the Agentic AI revolution, and trust me, the growth numbers are insane, welcome back to Smart Investing. I specialize in finding cutting-edge technology stocks, AI plays, and companies building the future of automation and autonomous systems. If you want exposure to the biggest shift in enterprise software since cloud computing, you absolutely need to hit that like button and subscribe right now. This video breaks down three different investment strategies for the Agentic AI revolution. Let's get into it. The first stock I'm analyzing is UiPath Inc., ticker PATH on the New York Stock Exchange, currently trading at $12.89 with an $8.3 billion market cap, headquartered in New York. UiPath is the global leader in agentic automation, and they just got named one of Time's best inventions of 2025 for their platform. Here's what makes UiPath absolutely unique. They pioneered robotic process automation, or RPA, and now they're evolving into full agentic automation. Think of it this way. RPA automated repetitive tasks following rules. Agentic automation uses AI agents that can think, reason, make decisions, and execute entire business processes autonomously. UiPath's platform includes Maestro, which orchestrates multiple AI agents, robots, and humans working together seamlessly. They can coordinate agents from UiPath, OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Anthropic, basically any AI system, and make them work together in complex workflows. Their customers include major banks, healthcare insurers, logistics providers, and Fortune 500 companies. The platform combines decades of automation leadership with cutting-edge agentic AI. And 93% of IT executives surveyed are extremely interested in applying agentic AI to their businesses. UiPath is the infrastructure layer making it all possible. At $12.89, Path has struggled recently, but analyst targets range $13 to $18. The bull case sees $18 to $22, driven by enterprises adopting agentic automation at scale, Maestro orchestration becoming the standard, partnerships with OpenAI, Google, Microsoft expanding, and transition from RPA to higher-margin agentic solutions. Time recognition validates market leadership. Bear risks include competition from Microsoft Salesforce, slower enterprise adoption pace, or continued profitability challenges. Stock could test $9–10 if growth disappoints. UiPath's Maestro platform orchestrates the entire agentic ecosystem, coordinating AI agents, RPA robots, humans, and systems into unified workflows. This orchestration layer is critical because enterprises will run dozens or hundreds of agents that need to work together. Partnerships with every major AI provider create platform lock-in. Customers like Johnson Controls automating accounts payable end-to-end. Financial firms streamlining lending cycles. The shift from RPA $3 billion market to agentic automation projected $6 trillion digital labor market positions UiPath at infrastructure layer dominance. The second stock is Salesforce Inc., ticker CRM on the NYSE, trading at $191.35 with a $182 billion market cap, headquartered in San Francisco. Salesforce is the world's #1 AI CRM, and they've completely transformed into an agentic AI powerhouse with Agentforce. Here's the incredible story. In October 2024, Salesforce launched Agentforce, the first enterprise agentic AI platform. Since then, they've shipped 4 major releases in 12 months, deployed to 12,000 customers, and achieved 119% agent growth in the first half of 2025 alone. Agentforce isn't a chatbot or Copilot. It's autonomous agents that operate 24/7, handling customer service, sales, marketing, and operations without human intervention. The Atlas reasoning engine powers agents to understand context, make decisions, and take actions independently within customizable guardrails. What's wild is the results. Reddit deflected 46% of support cases and cut resolution times 84%. 1-800-Accountant resolved 70% of chats autonomously during tax season. Wiley saw a 41% increase in case resolution. Salesforce launched Agentforce 360 at Dreamforce 2025, which connects humans, agents, data, and apps in one unified platform. They're targeting 1 billion agents deployed by end of 2025. This is the fastest growing product in Salesforce's history, and they're already generating massive ROI for enterprise customers. At $191, CRM trades near highs with targets $215 to $260. Bull case sees $250 to $280, driven by Agentforce becoming fastest product to $1 billion revenue, enterprises adopting agent-first strategies, Informatica acquisition closing, unified data layer, and massive productivity gains driving retention. CEO Benioff says every company must become an agentic enterprise. Bear case, competition from Microsoft, high valuation at 28 times forward earnings, macro headwinds, downside to 165 to 175 if growth slows. Salesforce's Agentforce 360 unifies the entire agentic stack, platform, data cloud, customer 360 apps, and Slack for human-agent collaboration. The Atlas reasoning engine with hybrid reasoning combines deterministic workflows with LLM creativity. Agent Exchange Marketplace allows pre-built agents from 30-plus partners, including Amazon, Google, IBM. Voice integration, multi-agent orchestration through MuleSoft, and Informatica data layer create unmatched enterprise readiness. With CRM data, business logic, and 20 years of customer relationships, Salesforce agents understand context better than anyone. The third stock is Microsoft Corporation, ticker MSFT on NASDAQ, trading at $401.14 with a $2.98 trillion market cap, headquartered in Redmond, Washington. Microsoft is the ultimate AI infrastructure play with Copilot Studio, enabling autonomous agent creation across their entire ecosystem. Here's why this is massive. Microsoft has 2.1 million monthly active users engaging with Copilot across business applications, and now Copilot Studio lets anyone build autonomous agents with low-code tools. These agents can work independently, initiating events, automating complex tasks, and executing entire business processes autonomously. Microsoft announced 10 autonomous agents in Dynamics 365 for sales, service, finance, and supply chain, handling everything from lead generation to supply chain orchestration. The platform includes Agent Builder in Microsoft 365 Copilot, where business users can create agents conversationally, then upgrade to Copilot Studio for advanced capabilities. At Ignite 2025, they introduced Microsoft Agent 365, the unified control plane for enterprise agents with centralized governance, policy management, and monitoring. MCP servers allowed agents to schedule meetings, generate documents, send emails, update CRM with full compliance. Companies like McKinsey, Thomson Reuters, and Pets at Home are deploying agents that could drive seven-figure annual savings. Microsoft's strategy: every employee has Copilot, supported by many specialized agents. At $401, MSFT trades at 32 times forward earnings, with targets $420 to $480. Bull case $450 to $500 plus, driven by Azure AI growth, Copilot Studio adoption across 400 million Microsoft 365 users, autonomous agents becoming standard in enterprise software, and AI infrastructure leadership. Microsoft's $100 billion AI infrastructure spend positions them uniquely. Bear case: regulatory scrutiny, high valuation, macro concerns, competition. Downside to 360 to 380 if cloud growth decelerates or AI monetization disappoints. Microsoft's advantage is distribution: 400 million Microsoft 365 users, Azure infrastructure, Dynamics 365 CRM/ERP. Copilot Studio integrates Work IQ intelligence layer, understanding users, jobs, and company context. Multi-agent orchestration, MCP protocol support, 1,400 plus connectors to business systems. Governance through Microsoft Entra Agent ID, Defender real-time protection, Purview compliance. The seamless path from Business User Agent Builder to Pro-Code Copilot Studio democratizes agent creation. With AI models, infrastructure, and enterprise software all controlled by Microsoft, they own the complete stack. So there you have it, 3 ways to play the Agentic AI revolution. UiPath at $12.89 for orchestration infrastructure, Salesforce at $191 for CRM native agents with 12,000 deployments, and Microsoft at $401 for enterprise-wide autonomous agents across 2.1 million users. Each offers different risk-reward profiles and strategic positioning. What's your take? Which approach to Agentic AI wins? Orchestration platform, CRM embedded, or enterprise software integration? Are we witnessing the next $10 trillion market shift? Drop your thoughts and analysis in the comments below. If this breakdown helped you understand the Agentic AI landscape, smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Investing for more AI and technology stock deep dives. Remember, educational content, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.